I put a new propeller on the boat here. It's quite easy to change them. The old one was chipped and the boat came with this one too. So we'll put this one on and see how the speed is, because sometimes the pitch of the propeller, the angle of these props, they can change the speed, make it better for your whole shot, or they can make it slower as well. So all you do is take this pin out here and you just bend it down so it's straight, and you pull it out on this side. Then you loosen up this nut here, should be hand tight. And then there's this washer here. You can pull this whole prop out, and it's on a spline axle with drive shaft with teeth. Then after that, you can switch out your propeller, or you can just clean up the shaft and re-grease it. And there's another washer at the very back here. You can also clean up and put some grease on it also. Looks pretty cool. Shiny. It's been working pretty good so far since I got the boat. And we'll see how this one is. If the top speed can reach over 28, I think it's miles per hour, probably. Yeah, it's miles per hour, 28 miles per hour. We'll see if it can go faster than that.